Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube video. On this sequence of videos that I'm recording, building a pharmacy system using Django, which is a Python framework, as well as AI to auxiliate me on the coding process. And also, I'm gonna use as a front-end developer. As a front-end side, I'm using Angular to basically working on my project. So I also on the previous video, we stopped on the section whereby I was trying to configure the Postgrade version 617. So it's the configuration is done. So currently, if I go back to our code base, I'm trying to set it up. This database is created. If I can bring the console here, if I bring the console, so this is the Postgrade, and then this is actually the database that I have. Currently, I did create the farmers in my DB. This is a post PO system for the database that I'm creating for point of sale system. And yeah, so this is where we're gonna continue working. And then I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's see. I need to migrate my DB, but I just did check here. The database I'm using the Postgre, just need to reference that, which is actually this big dude in here, the big elephant on the room. Yeah, so that's that's pretty much it for now. So let's continue developing. Uh, just need to delete this. So clear my console. So currently I'm trying to do a migration. I want to see if migration will happen for this new setup that I've done. But I kind of like having an arrow. It says like runtime. We got arrow. It says that my farmers this DB does not exist. Um, but as you can see here, if I say ls, no, I have to say like C, you guys will be see that the database indeed exists there. So I'm just gonna copy this guy and I'll go back again, and then I'm gonna go to my chat GPT, and then I'll just say this, and then I'm gonna grab the list of database that I have right here, and I'll put here to see what ChatGPT will tell me. It says that the bugging error, your error, okay, call indicated Django is trying to connect to the port instead of the correct port. Okay, so it's actually show me. Okay, cool. Maybe I don't know if I can run this. No, I can't definitely. I have to run this inside of this terminal. Hmm. I think I need to check the ports running. Let me see. I just need to, I want him to clarify me. Yeah, maybe one of the things that I need to do here is to restart. I think will be the best option. Although that's not doing anything. So I'll say then here, I need to see the so out like so. So let me see. Yeah, this is coding. I just need to ask him where to run this command first. Oh, there's stuff. I'll send it now. So it says run the port in Postgre. You need to run inside the Postgre command line to like. Okay, so but I'm actually I, I think I need to go to. I need to go. What is trying to tell me I have to be somewhere here. So let me just do help, right? Okay, I have to use and then write help. So I don't want to alter. I don't want to do none like that. I want to get some. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. I just need to see. I'm here. I'll tell. I'm here, and I will. I want to return back to yeah to here. Let's see. No, I'm here. I'm here. Why is not copying it? Oh, okay, cool. So I'm there already, which is a good thing. So now I just need to fill his word right. I don't need where is this now? Yeah, cool. I need to go to pass this command. Say what? Suggestions. Uh, I think there is a command that no, I mean, okay. So let me just copy this error once again. This is all database thing that we're currently working on. Okay, cool. Solutions using toolpath. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's the command. And then I'll just use it now. And then I'll put my password in there. Cool. So now I can actually go and check the port. So I can say this is the port to the AI. This is the port that this is the port. This port that I'm running. Okay, it says that it's gonna reference that host localhost. So I did set up all this thing here. So basically, I'm just gonna show him that my post grades look like this. Oh, which port am I using here? Okay, okay, cool. Got it. So I need to grab this port, which is 5432. But this is the port that I'm using, isn't it? 543. Oh, It's a different port, that's why. So, okay, so the problem now, it's definitely fixed. So I can actually run my migration, change detected, and then I can go and migrate. So the migration is happening. Um, so now I can go to ChatGPT again, and then I know that there is a command that he provides to me somewhere. Let me see, around that script. Just need to select slash your port. Switch. Okay, I need. This is the command. I need to switch to the database. Okay. I also need to run this um prescribe table. So since that the migration, let's check on the migration. Okay, the migration just happened. If I go to, let's say, and then I'll go to, let's say, schema, and I need to find tables. Okay, cool. So now it's fine. What I'm going to do is actually create the tables based on these models, right? Like for instance, sales, according according to the suggestion that ChatGPT provide earlier on. If I go on top, so I need to set up the tables for inventory, sales, prescription report, etc., etc. within my database. I'll just say text stack. Okay, cool. That setup was done. Okay, I will create the model for this one. This is for what? The medicine. And then this is one for inventory. And this one's for inventory view. Inventory. This is for create endpoints. Let's say this is for the route. Okay, cool. So let's let's start working. What? Let's put some work on now. So I'm just gonna again switch this part. You see, guys, as a developer, you guys will have to basically continue. Will be continuing working. Eh? So I just need to run. Let's see. I just need to run a query. Let me refresh first. Okay, so I have many database. Maybe I can delete this one. So let me just, how can I delete force? No, I don't need to delete force. Just need to go here and then click delete. Yes. Also need to delete this. And if I go back, it look like our table is not there. Okay, so let me do the same refreshing process again. It's refresh. So this is the database, pharmacy DB. I just need to change pharmacy. I just need to change this DB. Definitely, I need to make it this guy to look like this. God damn it. What's going on? Okay, cool. Let's try to do this. Just need to do this. Okay, cool. Let me see. Pharmacy DB, that's correct. Let me just to ensure that addition happens. Okay, so let me just leave it as this was. Apply all migration. Okay, that's fine. The one thing that I want to check on the terminal. I will say so. These are the DBs, right? Let me just go. Okay, cool. So if I go to schema, and if I go to table, I mean views, there's no views over there, but it's fine. Okay, cool. So let's start building these models. So I'm gonna go up there on top, and then that's done. That's done. Let's create our first model. So I need to go to inventory, and then I have to go to models, right? So basically, for time concept, I'm just gonna copy because it's a boilerplate, right? And then I have to create API serialize on inventory. Close this file now, and then I have to go to inventory, serialize. I don't see any serialize. Maybe it's something that I need to create. Let me create this serialize thing. This is migrations. So I'll just say pi, and then again, I'll copy this boilerplate. And later on, we can actually adjust. Okay, cool. Just need to see why is it complaining. Okay, so I need to install this dependency. So, okay, cool. It's definitely here. This is where I'm going to run. So the dependency was installed. So they just so we did manage start blah, 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 so it's fine. So okay, so kind of like now we're just facing some dependency problem here. So one thing we just need but we did install it. I just need also to switch maybe the pipe to a new version. So let me just to see how. No, I don't need to basically copy. I just need to copy this line, then ask GPT. I just need to upgrade. Okay, cool. And then now it was installed. Let's say, see, so all this error they're gone. So this one is fine now. So there is no issue. I don't know why it's taking so long to. Okay, this is a SQL, right? So this is done. So now we need to create the API view. So in inventories, again, have to go to views. And then on the views, I'll pass this boilerplate code. And then I believe that I need also to install these dependencies. That's correct. So let me bring my terminal. Okay, cool. And then also I think that I need to install this. So do you guys see how definitely AI help you out to speed up the development process? In the past, you needed to go to Stack Overflow and look exactly how to install these dependencies. Even now, like for instance, I have these uh, these warnings. They are warnings. They're not errors, right? But if I want to make sure that they are installed, I can just bring the terminal. I can bring again ChatGPT. I can put there, and then I can also show to ChatGPT that I managed to install all those packages. I'll just copy this. I managed to install these dependencies, but I still have these warnings. Okay, let's see what's gonna tell us. So it says here's a step to resolve. Ensure that the code review that code it's fine. It's fine, but let me just ensure since that is mentioned that I'm pretty sure it's running. DB is running. Okay, I can even show him that it's running just for him to have an idea. In the meantime, I can go and then I can actually get the URLs. So admin, admin, inventory. This is the model. Serialize. Review is there. So inventory. I'm gonna create this file here. I can even ask. Okay, before I set up this folder, I need to ask something. Uh, your view file looks fine. Okay, what should work as long as the package is installed and you're okay, cool. Yeah, that's supposed to be like that. If I see run this file command to confirm, yes, I can run and close this terminal. Uh, I'll check if it's installed as you state. But definitely is installed. Yeah, version da 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 is installed. You see how cool it is, guys, to code with ChatGPT. And if it's not installed, I'm pretty sure that I need to ask him two questions. Like the view is there already. I can see that the view is there. But I wanted to ask if on a new version of Django, we need to have, do I have to create this file and the view is already and on the new version of the Django. Let's see, because it didn't bring it. So let's see, because only bring the admin, the apps model. Okay, you need to create a serializer. Okay, and you okay, go manually in your okay, cool. If they are not already present. These files are not automatically generated by Django, but are essential for implementing the recipe you are using Django. Okay, cool. So serialize, this is one of the things, we learn it. I didn't even know that, but we learn from there. So I have a view, I need to create this file over there. So basically we have to do this process for all the inventory. Let's say for the sales, we have to do the same process, etc., etc. So let me create this file. I mean, there is no better way, guys, to learn something by practicing it. So I also need definitely to install this framework, which is a router. It's gonna provide me a command. So I'm just gonna do this. Let me see something. Yes, yes, I'm in the right spot. So let me do this. So it's also installed. Can actually close. So in the main, let's see if we have a main. It says add the routes in the main URL spy. So I can even close this to get some clarification. Let's see. Okay, so maybe this is where I need to add this URL. So currently the URL, we have only the admins. So basically I have to add the inventory and out. Okay, so let me just do this. I mean, I can actually, and out suggestion. Uh, no, I don't have it yet. I mean, I do have already for only the users, but I don't have for that. So I'm just gonna comment out. I'm just comment out this code so long because definitely I will use it later on. So let me see again all these warnings. Maybe it's the dependencies that I have to install. It says what the problems that include functions not imported. You need to import, okay, correct? So where does import it? Import it right here, which is cool. So that's pretty much fixed. So I do have users, include UI for the users and the declaration. Okay, so create, okay, I need to create Angular now. So for that, I think I need to go out of this file because all the backend, I'll just push this code. I'll say git. Let's just see if our application is still running. I'll just hit refresh, and then it looks like it's running with no issue still. So our backend's so long, but why does it? Okay, so let me check something so long. Oh, okay. Why? Okay, cool. Fresh. I'm not sure why is it dying like that, but it's all good. And let's see, maybe the issue, it's basically coming from here. Okay, so let me clear. Let me run the server again. And then it seems like it's having an issue on this package level. And let me just close this terminal. Just gonna have now. So let's fix this problem. So I'm just gonna grab again the URLs. I'm pretty sure that the problem is coming from here. So let's maybe remove this. And I'll try to run it again. Okay, cool. Is that we don't know what might be the problems. So basically what I'm going to do is complaining about this URL maybe. I'm gonna bring my good friend AI in order to tell me what might be the issue. So maybe I shouldn't include yet this path. Could I just do that? Fix step to fix the issue. Remove the user. Yeah. Open URL file. Comment out. Okay, users to update developer terms inventory admin. Yeah, that's correct. So I don't need because it was actually a self suggestion. Sometimes it's better that you test your code. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this and then run the server again, and then it's now saying what? Okay, so one thing that I'm gonna do, okay, I'm running the file server because there is a couple of issues. One of the issue that I can even direct spots. Did I close? No. That I spotted right here. The issue is an inventory URL. Maybe if I go here, no, let me see inventory. Yeah, so let's just ask them why, and then I'll do this. So it says that the error indicate that the medicine model in your inventory app is not recognized because the inventory app is not listed on the start app setting. Okay, I think I have to go to the app setting, and app setting is on the settings. So settings.py, and according to what you say, I need to add this line of code right here, and then we'll see what's going to cook. So I'll stop. So the problem was solved, but I'll stop just to clear again my terminal, and then I'll run the server again. So every single time, whenever we create a new model, and then we serialize it, we create a view, we need to come back to our settings.py basically and add that inventory here. Like now, if I do, let's say, I will just do this. I will clear up my terminal again. Then I want to run a migration. So let me just find the migration command here. Maybe I do have it still here. Not install. Yeah, so this one, boom. So we currently migrate this medicine, create model medicine, and then we can uh, manage migration, and boom, the migration happened. So currently, if I want to, I'll say I want to check the tables. Holy, what is that? Like that. Cool. So let me just see. I want you to use this database. So I'll just say this. Uh, this is what I did, right? Okay, maybe because of the space. Um, just need, there is a command that I did run on top here. Let me just go and grab it. So this is will describe the database. So let me just go on top. Okay, this is the command that I need to use. Okay, I'm connected, so I will say I need to describe the tables. Yes, user postgrade, that's correct. So what I want to do, I wanted to basically, I'm just gonna copy this, and I will say I want to see, select, I mean, not select, so select, it's because it's actually a query. Select the table that exists on this DB, right? And it's gonna processing. Um, yeah, that's pretty much. In the meantime, let me just commit this code as well. Git add, say git commit inventory model created. Then I'm gonna push Then once it's done, my exist table with Django. Expected classic user, okay, but I want so the table name might be inventory. I don't know. Yeah, it's inventory. So let me just grab this. So let pass and then see what. I just need to show him that. Just need to show him this, just for clarification, so that he can understand my context. Okay, am I, okay, so let me, let me, okay, so I'm kind of like having an error now. Yeah, babe. How's it?
What's wrong with you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Uh-huh. What's up?
Nothing happened.
Oh, nothing happened.
Mhm.
Okay.
It's
How's
supposed to happen
the
something.
huh?
Is this supposed to happen something?
Please, I mean it's too early for that, okay?
No, I'm asking because you asked.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Mm.
Yeah.
Me neither. I don't know. How was the run?
Oh, okay. Good.
How was the running?
Good.
Okay.
Mm.
I just when I called, I wanted to greet you, but it looked like you were very busy.
I was, yeah, what's up to you, my out.
Mm. Oh, good.
Mm.
Mm. Okay, you have a good day then. We're gonna chat later.
Good, so that.
Mm. Okay. Okay. All right. So we kind of like having some error here. It says template does not exist inventory medicines. So I'm just gonna grab this one because it's a template loader. Maybe I did miss out something here. Let me see again. Go up, 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 no, not up, down, 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 down. So it's go up. Currently, with this setup, we do have views, the URLs, inventory. Okay, cool. This is a setup for authentication. This is the front end part, so we don't need to bother about it yet. So it's a page not found. Request, blah, blah, blah. Let me see if my terminal is actually running. It says that file loader line get raised template chain Django exception template. It says that get inventory HTTP okay not found. Okay, so I'm gonna ask my good friend again to tell me what is he cooking. and definitely it's gonna tell me. So let me just close all all this. And then it says that the error template that not exists occur because Django REST framework is trying to render the default browser API template, but it cannot find the required template. This is usually okay. It says this is usually typically arise when the default render class setting in your configuration is restricted, or when the DRF browser API template is missing. And then it provide me a step to fixing it. Like for instance, I have, yeah, so basically let me just copy, and then I'll just remove this line of code, remove that bracket, and then this browser render thing was added. So the same thing was done. So I feel like now we just need to restart our app again, and then we can actually uh, let me just clean up because I always like to clean my terminal. So it's running again. So let's see. Okay, at least we're no longer having this then C. We're still facing the same issue, although the change made. Okay, okay, let me see. So let me just do this and go pilot edit this time, and I will just bring up this guy, put it there, and then that's it. Okay, so what does it change? So remove the avoid missing template. Now let's just keep it. Says what? They indicate that the rest HTML template is missing. This is happening because okay, cool. So remove okay. So it's saying what? So keep. Let's see if it's going to run now. Just that we made this. So it's running. So the authentication were not provided. So which is cool. But one thing that I wanted to test is also this. Then we can actually debug and then see if there is any. Okay, so this is the error that we facing now, and we can go back to our code and then say this, and also no, we don't need this because sections fix it, and then we can actually show him this. We can just do the row sake. You guys, coding, there is multiple steps that you need to take. So let's see if we're gonna be able to, because I'm actually trying to get HTTP. It says that the error, the authentication credential were not found. Indicate that the endpoint required authenticate, but the required did not include the endpoint. Okay, allow course. Okay, I will just try to keep it. Um, change allow to unauthorized. Okay, cool. Change to allow to unauthenticated access. Um, I'll refresh again. Authentication were not provided, but it's our app running again. So let me stop. and then I'll just run it again, and I'll just do this, and then I'm gonna page, let's say page not found. Maybe the reason why I say page not found, the error, the URL patterns. Okay, so let's see. Um, say keep at this line. Okay, cool. We go again and refresh. Welcome to pharmacy system API. It's working. Only this API that's still, but at least our front end, it's working perfectly. I mean, not the front end, but let's say this the backend API system is running smoothly. Just need to find out. Uh, okay. So that they indicate that there is no URL pattern defined for the roots. To resolve this, you can define okay view blah blah blah. But let's say first I need to access inventory maybe. Inventory. So it will be the same thing. When eat medicines, I'll just ask when kids am getting this. I'll just copy basically an unauthorized inventory. So let me just the unauthorized error indicate that the inventory medicine endpoint required authenticate, but the request did not include valid credentials. Okay. So this is because of the default permission class in your setting are set to allow any, but the JW authentication still require endpoints that enforce authentication, which is cool. I'll say keep this, and then to resolve the issue, should provide the valid JW authentication. Okay, on the view, that's correct. Maybe I just need to permission is installed response. I'm not sure. This was installed. The permission. I'm not sure if I installed the permission package, but uh, yeah. So let me just install it just to make sure that everything runs smoothly. Okay, response. I'm not sure if I install response as well. Then boom. Let's see. Yeah, so basically that's the other dependencies that I wanted to make sure if they are installed. So the change were done, medicines, it's fine. So let me see the channel view. What's happening? Okay, allow click permissions. The permission was set to allow. And then okay, medicine list. You just restart and response to medicine list. And on the URL, what changed? Okay, path. Cool. And then let's see if we're gonna get some. I'm still having this issue here. Okay, the front end still running smooth. Something went wrong at the awesome JSON viewer pro syntax unexpected. And yeah, so we just kind of like need to debug it. So this is what we call debugging in programming. So I'm just gonna ask him for him to see what might be the problems and then rethink what will be the solutions. So it says what? Here indicate that response being processed is not valid for JSON, which is likely. Okay, okay. Okay, check that eventually meets in the endpoint response using tool like Postman call. Okay, cool, that's valid. I will accept that. Fix the backend response if necessary. Ensure that return JSON. Okay, cool. So I'll keep the change. Now it refresh again. So now let's see. It says we having like two errors now. They're not authorized for what 401, and then we still having this issue. So let's see what's cooking here. What's cooking on the main. Okay, so this is the main, so we don't need to stress about it. Basically, I'm just gonna copy this, and also I just need to show him this, and I'll just say and this. Again, guy, I never use Python extensively. I haven't used, let's say, uh, Angular extensively. So this project, I'm also kind of like learning it on the process and see what will be the end result. Like I'm actually using AI to help me out through the process. Although that I have already I know how to implement a certain projects using some framework or libraries or even normal language. Yeah, but I haven't used. So currently, it's the JSON is bringing JSON, but which is actually fine because I haven't any data there yet. But at least one error is fixed. It says that something went wrong at the viewport syntax. Just need to see computed and blah blah blah. And let me just check side of made it change. I'm just gonna do this and see what's gonna bring me. So say the error template. Okay, the error template exists, but I've done that section already. Update. Okay, cool. So let me just understand. The error templates occur because the browse API render is not included in your okay, configuration. This render is required to display the browser API interface. Currently, your setting includes station binary, browser, da 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 da. So, okay, this is the one thing that I need to include this line of code. Or maybe let me just copy and let me just make sure first that I have an authentication access, that's fine. I have also the REST framework for allow, that's fine. And I have, oh, okay, so let me just copy all these changes and then boom. So now we can go back again and see medicine, you're getting some GET requests. And then if I just want to make sure that everything is working with no issue. And then currently I'm having an internal on the medicines. I said, say what, we can actually read. What is this? All this nonsense says here. Okay, so it says a template does not exist at inventory. So it's a REST framework API, shaman request get. Okay, medicine, Django. Okay, okay. Okay, cool. Let me track back, switch, copy, environment, sketch, Django. Yeah, so guys, again, we're going to continue. Maybe let me just try to fix this error and then we can actually finish up this tutorial because it's gonna get back and then it's gonna be long. I don't want to do a long video. Trace back. Let me see. Okay, so let me just maybe make sure that I'm not sure. Okay, yes. CD. CD. I'll say farmers. Oh, I'll say farmers system. Uh, and then I'll just say this. Cool. We were installing the framework, so that's why. Okay, so that's done. Yes. Okay, it wasn't installed, and then now we can actually install it again just to make sure. Okay, cool. So the templates up there is true. So the bag is true. So I think there's nothing that needed to be changed there. And then what else? With JSON render can actually just look for this, just renders there. And then I can actually go to finish up this, run it again. I was thinking at this time, I think I will still have the same issue. Okay, guys, we'll continue this. It seems like our get post method is not It's not working perfectly. Uh, but we can actually try to debug. We can actually try to debug why is it like this. I'm just gonna end up this video so long, but we're gonna continue